How to log into Snapchat without verification code. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Now navigate to the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you are here, you're going to find different options over here. Click on the option two-factor authentication. If you have disabled for this option or in case you haven't enabled for this option, two-factor authentication, you can easily log into Snapchat account in another device without verification code. But in case you have enabled for this option, you'll need to provide verification code to log into your Snapchat account in another device. But once you disable for this option, you'll be good to go. You can log into your Snapchat account without verification code in any device. Likewise, another thing you want to do is launch your mail app. In the recipient, type in support@snapchat.com and in the subject part, type in recovery. And in the subject part, type in account recovery. Now, in the description, you can explain that you want to log into your Snapchat account, but you don't have access to the email address or the phone number that is linked with your account to provide the verification code and send it. With that, Snapchat support team will get back to you. With the solution, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to log into Snapchat without verification code. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.